Special delivery! Mommy ordered a package from Amazon. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh! A giant color paper! This is so cool!
It's slippery. It's so big it didn't even fit. It's time to color it. There is Let's Get Wild. There's the Zoo Buffs. There's color pages. There's word finds. It's really fun. So let's start coloring.
So I'm gonna do Let's Get Wild. Let's see who can finish this part. Orange, let me see.
You're coloring on your thing.
No, that's down there. Mine's right here. Mine stops right here with this giraffe.
Switch to red. Want this red? No. Okay.
And so we have that whole section. So we're gonna start from Let's Get Wild all the way over. And you can't go out of the line.
This is going to be
If it's colored.
my baby.
Are you staying in the line?
Yes. Giraffe.
Yes, you are. Why are you so silly? That's so nice. The little hair right there.
I'm just going to do the loops this time. Finish! My mom said no. They clap.
Thank you very much.
Look at me, Mommy.
Oh, look at mine. You're supposed to fill yours in like this.
Wow, so cool.
You did? Did you see?
Incredible. I did it.
You did the whole thing?
Yeah. No. Let's color it. I did. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. A little star, help me. So I finished the puzzle, and now I'm coloring all of the animals on the puzzle. I'm giraffe. Let me cross that off the list.
Is that leopard? Is that leopard?
I found tiger. Oh, mine.
You did? So I'm not going to cheat and look. I know where to go. I didn't need no too much.
I found leopard.
Okay, you did not.
Yes, I
Hey,
did. I won.
where's leopard?
He beat you.
Yes, we did. Oh my God.
You won.
Okay, this is tic-tac-toe right here. 0. Oh, you got it.
I won.
We had so much fun coloring this giant paper. Make sure you order it on Amazon. See you next time.